Okay, your last bit of setup for your sales pipeline is going to be your email templates. So you've started creating your forms and you've started creating your meeting scheduler. And in each of those, you had the opportunity to send um, a confirmation email, right? So I've got this confirmation email template here that I could send. And then same thing when you are in your meeting scheduler. Let's see, which one did I just create? Here we go. We've got confirmation reminder. I can choose an email and I'm going to choose a template. So let's create those email templates. And then I'll give you kind of a quick overview of how all of those things work together. So under more or wherever you have it, it's under communicator. You're going to go to email templates. And here's where you're going to add in your email templates. We also have our assistant to be able to write for you. So you can use this template library. If you go into Moxie Essential Emails, here's kind of all the ones that are going to be in your Moxie account with like a drop down box. So you can see I've got my form confirmation email here, meeting scheduler confirmation. You can click import and you can see this kind of tells you a little bit about the template. And I'm using my tokens here on the left so that, or on the right, I'm sorry, on the right to say, okay, here is some references to other things. So when I have a meeting scheduler, I'm going to reference the first name of the person who booked the meeting. I'm going to reference when the meeting starts, and all of those are going to live under this meeting tokens. So lots of tokens here. That means you can create the template, but it's going to pull in information that it has. And then I've got my email template, right? And then this is also just, you can type, you can have an assistant kind of type for you. You can change your tone a little bit. Everyone at this point, I feel like, knows how some of those assistant works, and ours is not any different. So okay, I've got my email template here. So now when I'm in my meeting scheduler, I can say, oh, yeah, I want to send my own custom confirmation, and I'm going to use my meeting scheduler confirmation email. When someone books this, they're going to get a confirmation. So when someone fills out a form or when they fill out your meeting scheduler, they're going to get dropped into your pipeline here. So this one came in through a form, and you're going to be able to see, okay, here's all of the information I collected. Here is that lead information. And from here, you can run some automations. We're going to get into that way later. But if you are like, oh, this person does want to work with me now I can go add them as a client or prospect. You can add in a separate client name here. And it will retain all of the information that someone filled out on their form. And you can go from here, creating a client and then adding in all of the things that come with being a client, whether that's your agreement, sending some invoices. But that's how you can pretty easily go right from someone filling out an inquiry form on your website and have them drop that into your opportunities and then move that right into your client stage where you're working together with them.